Sony HDR-CX550. This one's a bit of a funny one. So with the battery in, switches on. So it's saying 114 minutes on the battery. When we put direct power to it, that should disappear. It doesn't, it stays up there. It's still saying 114 minutes. When we take the battery out, it stays on, but it also keeps saying 114 minutes. When we shut this and put the battery in, it should start charging. The charge light there should light up, and it's not coming on. It should be an orange color. So we're going to pull this apart and see what's going on. Slowly making progress into pulling the camera apart. So both the power supply, where the power supply comes through there, the DC in through there, and the battery compartment. So those two conjoining sections go into that ribbon, and that ribbon slides into the board that sits behind this plate in the slot. Oh, sorry, in the slot in there. So we'll be checking that board out to see what's going on once I get this plate off and remove it. So hopefully we'll see something that stands out that's causing the problem. So I'm going to check all these micro fuses. They should be allowing current to go through, so we should be getting continuity. So if we hear a beep, then they're okay. If we're not hearing a beep, then we've got an issue with one of them. Power the multimeter on. So basically we're trying to get a current, basically go through one end to the other, create that sound. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. And this one. Let me just check to see if that's a resistor or a micro fuse. Yeah, that's a fuse. It's a Q fuse. Symbol Q on it. That's not working. Place that one. Those are all okay. They're letting current through. That one isn't. It's seized. It's not there. We'll check that one as well. That looks like a fuse. That's good. But except for that one there. Apply a bit more pressure onto it, but yeah, get nothing on it. Should be going like that. Okay, we'll replace that fuse and see how it goes. So we got the old one out, and we'll put a new one in. So I put a high rating fuse, slightly higher. It's rated at a T. It'll hold more current than those, or actually the previous one that was there. You won't burn out so easily. I'll quickly test it, make sure the current's going through. Give me a nice beep. Should be all good to go. So the only way to test it is to put it all back together, put some power to it, and see what happens. Okay, let's power it up with the battery. Should come on. That's good. Saying it's pretty much empty. So if I plug this in, it should disappear. There we go, perfect. That's what we want. That's direct power. So if I take the, pressing the playback button. If I take the battery out, it should stay powered on. That's what we want to see. Without the battery symbol coming up like before. If I put the battery back in, it should stay on. And now when I switch it off, the charge light should come on. It should indicate it's charging the battery. Perfect. Works perfect.